The mentoring session that we have makes me clear out all the doubts and makes me learn a lot from the industry experts. My name is Aron. I live in Chicago, Illinois. Currently, I'm working with a law school supply as a senior data engineer. The motivation behind taking this program is we know that artificial intelligence is now incorporated in our day-to-day life, and it's the future, and it's no-brainer that we have to catch up on it. That's the motivation. The learning experience was great. The whole delivery package was great. Especially the mentoring session that we have makes me clear out all the doubts and makes me learn a lot from the industry experts. The key learning for me was being able to build my own artificial intelligence and machine learning models. It was so awesome being able to do that. For me, I feel like I'm in the future already.